Whoever can come on camera can come. Hi, Jeff. So good to see you. Namaste, Nandini ji. So good to see you. So we will just begin. Before we begin, just tell me in case how many of you have heard about graphology? Have you heard about graphology? Are you aware about what it is? Just tell me in the chat box. Okay, Nandini ji. Namaste, namaste, Shailaja. Namaste, Nisha ji, Bharti ji. Bharti ji, I'll connect with you tomorrow. Namaste, Dipti ji. Yes. So today we are going to learn ability to read personalities through handwriting. Correct. That is absolutely right. It's not just handwriting, it's anything that we write, like drawings, even doodles, signature, handwriting, everything. So that is graphology. So how many of you are joining us for the first time? Like, have you attended our webinars before, or this is the first time you're joining in? Okay. Mahakali workshop with Siddhiji, that's nice. And I'm sure you must have liked it because she's really the best when it comes to Mahakali. Okay. So let's start. I'll just begin with the introduction. This webinar is for everyone who are seeking self awareness and personal growth because graphology is a subject that helps us first to discover ourselves. And graphology has one such uniqueness which no other modality has. It helps you to identify your blind spot. और ये दूसरी कोई भी modality नहीं करती है. None of the modalities will tell you about your blind spot. Parents who want to understand their children better. So these days it's so much of competition wherein the parents want their students to score only competitive marks. But we want them to be better human beings. So graphology एक ऐसी modality है which will help us to understand where our child can perform better. We can identify their true strengths, we can identify their potential, and then we can guide them accordingly. So graphology has that kind of power where it will help to build a greater bond between the parents and children. Teachers and educators, the people who are slow learners, who are dyslexic, who have ADHD, it's very difficult to manage. And if any of the teacher or educator will learn this skill, they will elevate their teaching skill because then they will be able to identify their children's skill better. They will be able to identify what is their learning technique. Sorry. I'm sorry. So, all of us are occult practitioners. Some of us will be occult practitioners, and we all have different skill set. Like for example, I can listen to the audios better. Some people will visualize it better. Some people can smell things and tell what it is about. So हम सबका अलग अलग clear होता है. In the same way, every children has unique learning method. Some children will not like to by heart. They want to learn and then they want to memorize the answers. So in HR professionals for employee profiling because they'll understand where the employee can perform better, which department they can perform better. All the coaches, counselor, and therapists who really want to work on the rewiring of brain because handwriting and our brain has a very unique connection. All the entrepreneurs who want to understand the team dynamics, who want to understand what are their employees better at. All those students who want to improve their focus and confidence, and anyone who is curious that, okay, what handwriting tells about me. So, all these people can attend this webinar and the course. Now, who is this not for? It's not for people who are looking for quick fixes, who can't commit time for their self development. It's not for people who are not open to accept their real self. It's not for people who are just wanting to be entertaining and not educating. It's not for people who are extremely skeptical and they don't want to try out the new methods. All those people who are just unwilling to practice regularly or don't want to attend a session, because graphology and graphotherapy needs time. It needs time. It's just like a homeopathic medicine. It works on the root cause, but you have to give so much time. Now, before we move ahead, let's imagine ourselves as a half class. Because the moment I say that I know everything, I'm putting a stop to my learning and I won't be able to take in the new knowledge. Let me just introduce about Yana's Healing Studio before we proceed. Yana's Healing Studio is your life transformation partner. It's been led by our renowned divination expert Siddhi Shah. It's a trusted name for all the intuitive healing and spiritual guidance, expert guidance, support, many workshops. Fat, there is she. We have so many success stories where people have just reduced their weight by spirituality and not with strict diet or strict exercise. We have world class healing systems. Siddhi is a founder of Celestial Dragons Healing System and Celestial Angels Healing System. 7+ years of dedicated research, and she herself has mastered more than 100 healing modalities. Until today, we have hosted more than 50 spiritual workshops in healing, in reading, numerology, and so much. We've trained more than 3,000 individuals to start their spiritual journey. So many people have learned and they have now become healers on their own and started earning six figure. We've given one session breakthroughs to many people where just in one session they've got a lot of breakthroughs. And our vision is to empower 10 million people to resolve their life challenges by unlocking their inner potential. We also have one more sector which is called as Shri Karya Siddhi. It's a gateway to your spiritual fulfillment. Under Shri Karya Siddhi, we do lot of online spiritual services like energy attunements, havans, personalized puja, holistic spiritual products, essential oils, candle, bath salt, crystal products, crystal bracelet, and many more. And these are thoughtfully designed rituals for every individual for their spiritual journey. Now, little introduction about me. I am Vasudha. This was one of the photos where I had given a speech on how you can write for your success, how you can design your success signature for the corporate employees. So, I am Vasudha. I'm into this field for 5+ years. I have learned more than 35 healing modalities, and right now, teaching more than 20 of them, have been associated with Siddhi and Yana Healing Studio for quite a few months, and it's been an amazing journey because I get to meet lovely people like you. I have my ebook on Amazon. Your handwriting speaks about you. So if you have a Kindle, you can download my ebook, read it, and please give us the review on how do you find it. I have helped more than 3,200 plus people, have trained more than 700 plus students, and my core expertise are graphology, numerology, tarot reading, Lama Fera, Theta healing, wristwatch analysis, ancient Vedic methods like Kauri Vidya, pendulum dowsing, dice divination, coin divination. ये सारी मेरी expertise है. And today I'll be speaking about graphology. So that's little bit about me. So today we are going to learn about money alphabets. So I don't need the PPT now because I'm going to tell you about money alphabets, which is going to help us identify about our money patterns. Did you ever think that handwriting can help you identify your money patterns? ऐसा आपने सोचा होगा कभी? So I want all of you to write this sentence, okay, on your book and send me the picture in the Zoom chat. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. I've posted the sentence in the Zoom chat. All of you write this and let's identify our money patterns in today's session. I will also put this on the whiteboard so it is accessible to all of you. And after you have finished writing this, sign 3 times. Whichever is the signature that you are using for your official work, you can sign it for 3 times. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And after you finish writing this, just sign 3 times. Are you there in Yana Ceiling Studio WhatsApp group? Is everyone present in Yana Ceiling Studio WhatsApp group? Will take few minutes. You can simply write and send me the photo in any of the WhatsApp group you are present, or you can send a picture on the Zoom chat. Has anyone written? Start posting your pictures in the Zoom chat. Yes, I am waiting to receive a few pictures so that we can start some live analysis. Okay, Nandini ji has sent a picture. Okay, Melanie has also sent it. Let me start with Nandini ji. Okay. So I have opened your sample, Nandini ji, and this is how you sign officially. ये आपका official signature है. Okay, I have sent you unmute request. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
all
It's
right.
my official signature.
Okay, okay. So are you extremely close to your mother, Nandini ji?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now when I'm seeing, thank you for sharing the sample and being that open-minded. So what I see is right now, you just wrote this, it's not written earlier. So right now, is your focus more on the career aspect? Are you looking to establish your identity and you also have big goals right now planned for you? So you are someone who have planned very big goals in terms of money, in terms of identity, and right now, I see the main focus for you is on career. Is that correct?
Yeah, I have big goals, but my main focus, like, it is splitted. Not like it's 50-50, 50% on career and 50% on my relationships.
Okay. Yes. रिलेशनशिप तो है बट करियर का थोड़ा ज्यादा लग रहा है इट्स मोर अबाउट कि
Mhm.
you want to earn your name, you want to make your name,
Yeah,
you want to
exactly.
make people know you for your own unique skills, and you also have your own style. So some of the things that you have, ये आपका खुद का स्टाइल आपने खुद एक बनाया है over the years with your experience, and somewhere you can't compromise on some things. मतलब कुछ चीजें है ना, वो जैसे आपको चाहिए वैसे ही आप करते हो. So you would
Yeah,
not listen, you would take people's feedback, but you would only do what your mind tells you to do or what you want you to do.
yeah, correct.
Yes. Do you feel misunderstood, Nandini ji? Like आपको लगता है कभी-कभी people misunderstand
Yeah,
you, like they don't get the message that you are trying to convey them.
yeah.
About the money
Actually they
pattern,
perceive
yeah,
things differently. मतलब जो मैं बताना चाहती हूँ, they don't perceive that in that way.
correct, correct. I can see that in your handwriting. So, what I can see is like the money pattern. Since we are talking about money pattern, Bharti ji, you're sharing the screen. Okay. So about the money pattern कैसा है? Like right now, I am not sure. It just gives me the guidance that are you planning for any big investment, or are you looking for some big amount to be earning in the next few months, couple of months में? तो
Yeah,
आपका ऐसा है, फिलहाल आपकी वो प्लानिंग चल रही है, so you have your own budgets in place, you
yeah.
have things in place, and that is what I can see, that you want to do it in an organized way. You don't want to be having scattered money. तो जो आपका
Hmm.
गोल है उसके हिसाब से ही you are planning right now about it.
Exactly. That's true.
Yes. So let me see who else has sent it. I'll just analyze few samples and then, okay, Sunita ji has shared on the screen. Sunita ji, can you send it in the Zoom chat or any of the WhatsApp groups where you are present? Because when you're sharing the screen, I'm not able to see it properly. Just send it in the Zoom chat. Photo खींच के Zoom chat में आप भेज दो, or you can send it in any of the Yana Sailing Studio WhatsApp group if you're present.
Okay.
So next sample I have received is from Nisha ji. No, I think it's Meloni Ruparel. Hi Meloni ji.
Hello.
Yes. So thank you so much for sharing this sample. So what I see is about the money pattern, since we are going to learn about it and we want to identify. So somewhere do you feel that you don't have enough?
Uh, little bit, yeah.
Yeah. थोड़ा सा ना lack energy
Yeah.
लग रहा है when it comes to money, luxury or any material life that we are looking for. तो थोड़ा सा वो लग रहा है. And health का भी आपका काफी up and down हो रहा है क्या? How
No,
is it?
health-wise, I'm stable. No
Okay.
issues.
Okay. But you got to take care of your health, especially the stomach.
Okay,
It
sure.
looks sensitive.
I have started with the fitness thing, so maybe
Okay.
because of that, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Just take care of your stomach because I see a little bit of indigestion type of things.
Okay.
Yes, Shailaja. Hi, Angelia. So good to see you.
I have sent you a personal number, ma'am,
Can you please send it
because I'm
on
unable
Zoom?
to send.
Okay,
On
fine. I'll
Zoom, I'm
check.
unable to send. I don't know how to send it.
No problem. I will check. Okay, so I have opened Angelia's sample. Thank you so much, Angelia, for sharing. Is this the signature that you use officially, Angelia? You use this signature everywhere?
No, not everywhere.
Okay, okay. All right. Why I asked you, because all the three times your sign is different. It's not looking the same.
Yeah, because I usually sign for these short things for my official one, not this one.
Right. So now, right now, what we are doing is we are analyzing the money patterns and how is it. So when I am checking your sample, I see there is little bit stress on finances. So do you get anxious at times when you have to spend money or you need to invest somewhere? Or is there kind of lack of trust when you want to give it away to someone?
Yes.
Yes. So this is what I could see from your handwriting. And about your signature, it is not clear. So somewhere there are confused thoughts. So decision making is not very good. You struggle little bit when taking important decisions.
Sometimes.
Yes, that's because the signature is not clear.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let me open Jeff's sample now. So
How
Jeff,
about
yes, tell me, Anjali.
how about relationship?
I will tell you. Now we are talking about money. The next part will be relationship.
Okay.
Yes. We have that on our agenda today. We'll surely do it. So, Jeff, you've written the line that I said in entire capital letters. So, right now, it tells me that you want to be seen. Somehow, you are looking for recognition from the people.
Come again. I don't get you.
No, this is for Jeff.
For Jeff, okay.
Yeah, for Jeff.
Okay, ma'am.
So, are you looking for some kind of recognition from the people? You want to be seen, you are seeking some attention. I see a little bit of attention seeking tendency. And when it comes to money, I see a little bit of confusion. So, at times, you are not sure on where you must invest, how you must save, or what are the good money habits you need to develop. Is that correct?
The recognition, no. But the money confusing, I'm pretty sure about. Not confused at all, actually.
Yes. So you need to develop some kind of budgeting. Yes, Shayana, I'll check everybody's. I'm just opening up the photos I received in the order. So now Shayana Goel. Shayana, you have written on a very like it's like a notepad, but it's okay. So about your money patterns, I see that money comes to you whenever you need it. The money comes to you whenever you need it. And somewhere you think that you are very good in saving money, in investing money, and you know exactly what to do, when to do. So you kind of budget things. Is that correct?
Okay, as of now, like I'm not handling the money part. Like
Okay.
I'm just earning it, and
Okay.
it's been handled by somebody else. Yeah. So
Okay. Okay. So whoever is doing it, because you are giving it to someone, it's been managed properly. So you
yeah.
know that you're giving it to the right kind of person. So what trust is there where about the money? Just thoda sa anxiety I see when it comes to work pressure. What do you do? Are you working?
I was, but yeah, my the company shut down. So
Okay.
yeah,
So
right
is
now.
there any kind of pressure that you have right now? Like, are you looking for a job, or there is some anxiety, a little anxiety that I see in your handwriting?
Yeah, I had some problems with my relationships. So yeah, there was anxiety I was facing, and now I'm much better. So
Yes.
that was mainly the issue.
No problem, Bhatiji. You send it on the WhatsApp. You send it to me on WhatsApp. About the relationship, so in your signature, you've written Shayana, and you have put underscore in the first signature. And on the second signature, you've not put underscore. So is that the way you sign generally?
The line is there in all, right?
But in the second sample, see, Shayana mein you have not put the line. You put the line under Goel. You've written Goel Nichi and then you've put the line.
Yeah, that's
So
under my
which
hand.
is your true signature? You've signed SG, you've signed
Yes.
Shayana,
Yes.
and Shayana under then the Goel.
Mostly the SG I signed and mostly Shaina Goel.
Okay, so if you are using those two layer wala signature, you will have relationship issues. So
Okay.
don't do the signature that way. We will anyways be studying today the signature tips on how our success signature needs to look like.
Okay.
And if you're putting underscore, never cut your Y. I'll now explain about Y, G, and how it helps for relationship and money. So when you cut Y, somewhere it creates a lot of stress with colleagues, with office. There may be office politics, there may be politics related to money, or you may think that I'm doing so much, but I'm not earning so much. I'm working very hard, but not getting so much in return. मेरे जो returns है वो बहुत ज़्यादा कम है. तो वैसे थोड़ी feelings आती है. So never cut your why. Sunita ji, you can send in WhatsApp group if you. Okay, I have yours. Earlier you had shared it on the screen. Okay.
Yes.
So you signed this way, Sunita Kinger.
Yes.
Okay. So about your money pattern, what I see is, first of all, I see from your writing that you really have a very humble nature. Is that correct? You speak with
Yes.
everybody in a very kind, loving, and a very humble way.
Yes.
So sometimes do you feel difficulty in managing your time? Like, is there a
Right.
time management difficulty that you're facing? And about your money, so somewhere you also operate from lack sometimes. So you feel that you don't have enough. Sometimes there is not enough gratitude for the things you already have. So money pattern में थोड़ा सा है, and somewhere you feel that you are not able to save enough. It may be coming, but you are not able to save the kind of things or goals that you have planned for yourself.
True.
Yes. Okay, so now let's learn little bit of alphabets. पहले थोड़े money alphabets सीख लेते हैं, and then I'll analyze few more samples. तभी तक whoever has not been able to send, please keep sharing in the Zoom chat or on the WhatsApp group. I will pick it up from there. Okay. Now these are our money alphabets. Y, G, and G. When we started writing, all of us started writing on the four lines book, right? When we were kids, we started writing on the 4 lines book. So in the 4 lines book, all these alphabets which touch the last 2 lines, this is called as lower zone. And if you attended my previous webinar, which I took last time, I had explained that lower zone is responsible for our material life, for our physical life, for our relationship, for sensuality, for conceiving, for reproduction, hormonal balance, immunity, everything. So if our lower zone is not correct, we will face problem in all of these areas. Now, how will we come to know that you are very good in saving, or you're looking for earning a lot of money, or you're looking? So Nandini is writing, all of these zones are very, very dominant and they are seen properly as compared to the other alphabets. These are more longer and they are seen more clearly in Nandini's writing. So that's how I came to know that she's looking to create her own identity. She's focusing on career aspect more. She's focusing on balancing money. So to earn more money, to attract good opportunities, and to save money, you should always close your loop. So if you're writing a Y, even this loop should not come. If the loop comes here when you're writing G or Y, it means there is a tension regarding money. There is a tension regarding expense. So you should always write your Y like this. This line should not bend like this. It should not be bending like this. You should always be writing Y like this, going upwards with closed loop. You will always write your G like this. G will also be always closed. There will not be any gap and the loop will go up. And J, you would write like this. The dot should exactly be above the stem. It should not be ahead. It should not be before. It should exactly be on the stem. Now, what happens when people write Y incomplete? They want to earn lot of money. They are not able to save and they are not able to complete their work on time. They will take lot of work very scattered and they will not complete it on time. Now, people who have extended loops. So I showed you the correct loop that we must be writing. But people who write extended loops like this, you will see Y's like this. ऐसा लिखते हैं लोग. If they are writing like this, that means they are exaggerating about their money. There is a movie in Bollywood of Sri Devi wherein her husband was not earning a lot, but she used to always portray that he is earning so much. We have a bungalow, we have a gadi. The movie name is Judai. So they will always boost a lot of money, but they don't have so much money. So if you see someone writing like this, please do not scribble on the screen. And these people will also have lot of physical needs. So somewhere, if their partners are writing Y with closed loop, and if they are writing Y like this, there will not be physical happiness in the relationship. One of the partners will always feel unfulfilled. They will not feel satisfied in their physical life. They will never be able to give that kind of happiness the partner is looking for. If someone writes Y like this, so there is an angle which is created. In graphology, wherever we have sharp angle or angles is called as angular writing. And whenever somebody writes like this, it means that whatever they are doing with lot of stress. They are doing it forcefully because they have unnecessary responsibilities. They have responsibility of the family. They have responsibility to take care. And which is why they have developed this kind of tendency and they start writing like this. Now there is one more Y which you all have to be very careful if you see this somewhere. People writing Y like this. This is called as Y claw. This is called as Y claw. And whoever has this kind of formation, be it in Y, be it in G, be it in J, if they have it in J, they will attract court cases. It can be any kind of court case. It can be litigation, it can be divorce, it can be anything. This can also come in S. This can also come in capital A. So they write like this. So this is a pattern जहाँ पे suddenly there is a leftward movement. There is a sudden leftward movement that happens. And whenever you see these patterns, these are the people you need to stay away from. They will talk very sweetly. They are so mesmerizing in their talks that you will fall for them. But they have cheating tendency. So if you see somebody writing like this, if our kids they see this pattern in their friends, then they need to stay away from them because they are someone who will talk very sweet and get the work done, and at the end they may also cheat you. And if we have this pattern in S, women will develop PCOD, PCOS, hormonal imbalance, which can affect if they are trying to conceive, they will not be able to conceive until this is corrected. Now, this kind of Y people write with a single stem. There is no loop at all. This is called as detective Y. They have ability to ask a lot of questions, to dig in deeper and to go to the root cause, but they will never be able to complete the work they have taken. They are scattered. They can't manage their time. They can't manage their work. And somewhere they always operate out of lack when it comes to money. So you should never write a Y like this. YG, you should never write like this. Like this. Even like this, half complete. This is also not good. They will also have anxiety regarding money and they will not enjoy the money that they are making. They will feel, I don't have enough. I could have more. I am putting so much efforts, but I am not getting so much in return. Daily, if you write 5 lines of simple why like this, you will see that so many things regarding money will be taken care. A simple G like this. Every day, if you write just 5 lines, in which kind of book you should write? We get a book which is 2 lines. We get a book like this. Let me show it to you on the Google, how the page looks like. You can buy one of these books and you can keep it handy because this is the book that we use for graphotherapy. Graphotherapy is a handwriting therapy. A book like this where you have only 2 lines. Whenever you are changing your alphabet, it's recommended to write in such kind of page because this gives you balance. And once you have learned how to line balance letter, then you can use plain paper, you can use single line book, you can use any type of book. Is it clear? Y, G, and J we should write properly. Will all of you write this 5 lines every day for 21 days? See the change, see the magic.
Yes.
Great. So now I had promised you that I'll also give you one of the patterns for working on your gastric problems. So some of you, some of the handwriting samples that I checked have really so sensitive stomach is like कुछ भी खा लेते हैं तो थोड़ा indigestion हो जाएगा. There may be poor metabolism, not able to digest the food properly. So this is for everyone who feels that they have really sensitive stomach, their water intake is low. Let me reshare the keyboard, whiteboard. So again, what you would do is you will take the, let me draw properly. So in the 2-line book, okay. Now let me tell you, before I tell you the pattern, let me tell you how to identify if you have a gastric problem or not. So whenever there is a sensitive stomach, small e is the alphabet which will tell us about the stomach related problems. Small e tells us about the listening capacity, the ear related issues, and the stomach related issues. Stomach related issues can be acidity, poor metabolism, it can be stomach pain, indigestion, and so on. So in case if in your writing, this E is like this, the loop is closed, or the loop is really, really small, then they will have sensitive stomach. They will either have stomach related issues or some or the other problem. Either their water intake is low. So the pattern that you have to write every day before 3 p.m. if possible, what you need to do is, we will be writing E continuously without lifting the pen. So you will start like this. It needs to be open. I will also send a video in a proper notebook in our WhatsApp group. You don't have to lift the pen and keep writing this. Now suppose you've written till here and you have lifted your pen. So you will leave a small space and again start writing. This is the pattern which will help you rewire your beliefs regarding the stomach related issue. With this pattern, your listening skills will also improve. Sometimes what we do selective listening. Whatever I want to know, I listen to only that. I don't listen to complete thing. Yes, दीप्ति जी, मैं इसका proper video बना के WhatsApp group में भेज दूंगी. You will start with writing 5 lines every day, and then slow for the first 2 weeks, 5 lines. For the next 2 weeks, 10 lines. And you will see within a month, your gut has also started becoming healthy. If you've been wanting to lose weight and if you are not able to maintain the diet, you will see that you will be able to do it. Is anybody able to relate? किसी का ई वैसा था जैसे मैंने दिखाया था जो स्टमक रिलेटेड इश्यूज वाला था. And you have stomach related issues, Nandini? Okay, great.
Listening issues.
Yes. So this will help you to improve your listening and also the stomach. So sometimes if the loop of E is really, really small, it is also observed that this particular writer has seen his father not fulfilling the promise, which is why sometimes they develop selective listening. That is one of the possibilities in some cases. But we also have to check how is he writing. Is he writing straight? Is he writing leftward, rightward? Slant कैसा है? Yes, दीप्ति जी.
मैं आपको अपना सिग्नेचर कैसे दिखाऊं? मतलब
आप
पिक्चर क्लिक नहीं कर पा
व्हाट्सएप
रही हूँ।
ग्रुप में आप किसी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में हो याना सीलिंग स्टूडियो के?
हाँ, बट उसमें तो मैं तो कुछ नहीं लिख सकती, वो तो जो आप भेजते हैं बस वही देख पाती हूँ मैं।
मैं आपको एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का लिंक भेजती हूँ. आप वो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर लीजिए अभी और फिर आप उसी में भेज
ओके,
दीजिएगा जहाँ पे आप भेज सकती हो.
ठीक है, थैंक यू मैम।
ओके, मैं अभी बस भेज देती हूँ यहाँ पर. आई विल सेंड इट टू यू in the Zoom chat. In case if anybody is not present in any of our WhatsApp group, you can join this group. So this is the group where you get all the updates, all the upcoming webinars, upcoming sessions of Yana Sealing Studio, which are free, which are paid. सब कुछ आपको ये group पे मिल जाएगा. So if you are not there in any of our group, you can join here. एक और एक्सरसाइज है जो हम मनी के लिए कर सकते हैं या सारे हमारे जोन्स को बैलेंस करने के लिए, जिससे मुझे मेरा अपर जोन, लोअर जोन, मिडिल जोन सभी कुछ बैलेंस करना है. उसके लिए मैं आप लोगों को एक एक्सरसाइज बता देती हूँ कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं. दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल सब्जेक्ट बट इसकी अवेयरनेस नहीं है लोगों को. पीपल थिंक दैट हैंड राइटिंग से क्या ही हो जाएगा. वी एक्चुअली टाइप सो मच इन दिस डिजिटल एज. But even if you write like a single page every day, you will see so much sorted your life is. Because everything goes out. You start letting go. You will not be in the same emotion for a very long time. Now, this is an exercise to balance all your zones. Simply on the 2-line book again, you will write A, L, Y.
It's not. Okay.
You will leave some space, then again write A, L, Y. तो इस तरीके से if you write almost 5 lines every day, so this will balance all your zones. अब आपका upper zone is also very important if you are a healer, if you are a occult practitioner, because this will help you for your education, for your wisdom. It will make you a very good learner. Middle zone is all about day-to-day activities. Like somehow सुनीता जी का middle zone थोड़ा कभी-कभी गड़बड़ हो रहा है. It's not proper. Somewhere
Yes.
it is proper, somewhere it is small. So that is how I said that sometimes you have difficulty in time management. And
Yes.
these Y is getting entangled with other alphabets below. So which means that sometimes you are either you have too many expectations from your own self, you want to do lot of things in less time. So वैसा भी हो सकता है. That can also be one of the possibilities. So if you do this exercise every day, you will be able to balance all your zones. upper zone, middle zone, and lower zone. Now let me tell you some pointers on how can you design your success signature. I will be giving you few pointers today, which are good to have. In case if you want to learn it professionally, then I'll also tell you the professional offer कि कैसे आप प्रोफेशनल ग्राफोलॉजिस्ट बन सकते हो, बिल्कुल मेरी तरह एनालाइज कर सकते हो, सिखा सकते हो, लोगों को कंसल्ट कर सकते हो, थेरेपी भी दे सकते हो. For your success signature, सबसे पहला point is you should have a ascending signature. आपका signature straight नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be going slightly upward. अब कितना upward जाना चाहिए? Now suppose if this is your imaginary straight line. So at least 20 degrees to 25 degrees आपका signature ऊपर होना चाहिए. Whenever it is ascending, it means you are progressing. You will always progress from wherever point you are there. आप हमेशा ऊपर ही जाओगे, आपका ग्राफ कभी भी नीचे नहीं आएगा. You will never feel that you are coming down or your life is not going anywhere. What is happening, I don't know. And you will develop a ability to not give up. So you will not give up on your life easily. You will be optimistic, positive in everything that happens. It will make your willpower very strong. It will make you emotionally very strong. So your signature should be upward. Now the second important thing, your first name का first letter. So suppose if I want to write V, Vasudha ka V, this should be at least 2 times bigger than my handwriting. It should be at least 2 times bigger than my handwriting. So if I'm writing this size, then my V should be at least more than double. It should be at least 2 times bigger. Why it should be 2 times bigger? Because my name, first alphabet, represents me. It's my image. So this will give me confidence whenever I'm standing on the stage or I'm speaking to someone. When I'm in public, I will be taken as a confident person. People will not doubt me when I'm sharing something. And your surname, whichever is your last name, the first letter of your last name should also be equal size of your first alphabet. This should be almost equal, so 2 times bigger than your writing. The second important tip, the third important tip, we've covered 3 tips. You should always put a underscore, but it should not cut any alphabets in your signature. It should not cut any alphabets in your signature. You must always sign above the underscore. Underscore enhances your personality. It gives you that extra recognition, name, fame, success that you're looking for. It will make people notice you in the crowd. If we put only SK, then you can also, but is SK your official signature? You're on mute.
Sometimes.
Okay, sometimes.
Mm.
So you can just put a small line below SK. If because you are signing official documents, you would still want to be noticed, right? Or recognized for the work you are doing. So simply put like this. Your K should not be going PJ. It should be just like this. It should just be touching the line like this. It should not be going behind, because then it means that sometimes I'll have traditional thoughts whenever it goes beyond the line. Now, the next important point is you should never encircle your signature. So if I'm writing V or I'm signing, there should not be encircle. Encircle is like you're putting boundary around you. It will restrict your growth. It will restrict your mindset, and you will not be open-minded. So you should not have encircling in your
कभी भी
signature.
अपने फर्स्ट इनिशियल को अगर तुम ग्राउंड करते हो, राउंड करके करते हो, तो तुम अपने आप को
Okay, sorry दीप्ति जी, मैंने आपको म्यूट कर दिया. Okay. So encircle, now suppose अगर आप अपने नाम पे encircle करते हो, so you create boundaries around you. अगर हम हमारे सर नेम के फर्स्ट लेटर को एनसर्कल करते हैं, देन इट रिप्रेजेंट्स माय मदर. हमारे मदर फिगर को रिप्रेजेंट करता है ये. सो व्हेन वी पुट एनसर्कल ऑन द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ आवर सर नेम, दैट मीन्स आई एम पुटिंग रेस्ट्रिक्शंस टू माय इमोशंस, बिकॉज व्हाट इज मदर? मदर रिप्रेजेंट्स इमोशंस इन आवर लाइफ. हम हमारे सारे इमोशंस हमारे मम्मी से ही सीखते हैं, और सारा एक्शन टेकिंग हमारे पापा से सीखते हैं. That is how our mind works, and that is how our writing works. So if we are putting encircle in the first letter of our surname, we will not be expressive. We won't be able to put across our point. We won't be able to say what we really want to. We feel unheard. हम खुद ही नहीं बोलेंगे, और फिर हम ऐसा बोलते हैं कि people don't listen to me, they don't respect me. So ये नहीं करना है. And wherever you have dots, so if you have right I in your name, you should put dot exactly above the stem. It should not be before or after. If you put the dot before the stem, it will make you lazy. It will make you a procrastinator. If you put dot little ahead, then you will be forward thinker. So you won't live in the present. That is why it should be exactly above the stem, which will make you a person who will pay attention to details, who will live in the now, and who will have great eye for detailing. I will tell about the dots, Shayana. Now, supposing if you are putting underscore and you're putting a dot after the underscore. If you're putting a dot after the underscore, means you are very, very particular about certain things in your life. My breakfast will happen only at 8 a.m., not even 8:01. My wardrobe will always be like this, same color, same curtains, everywhere same. They will be very particular about keeping their things, having their lunch, and particular about their life. Own set of rules that they will follow. If you put dots on the left side of your signature, it means you are a loner. You like your own company. It's like in Hindi they say मैं और मेरी तन्हाई अक्सर ये बातें करते हैं. There's a song about this. So they will have personality something like that. They will like their own company. If you put dots in the middle, that means you have cousins who are like friends. So you have great bonding with your cousin, and they are just like best friends for you. And if you put dots at the right side below the underscore, that means you can talk to anybody without any hesitance, even if they are strangers. So ideally, all of us who are in occult should be having dots at the right side. It will give us that instant connection built, even if they are strangers, even if we are talking to someone for the very first time.
One dot or two dots?
2 dots.
Okay.
So one dot represents you, and the other dot represents the people you would converse with.
Okay.
You have 2 dots. Yes, Shayana, you have 2 dots on the right side. So these are some of the pointers on how you can make your signature better. However, we have entire module of 5 to 6 hours where we will be learning the complete signature on how it is, how shall we do it, and what shall we do it. Yes, Menaka.
Ma'am, some will tell don't put the dots under the line.
So that is what I said. These are general remedies that I have given. For your personal remedies, we'll have to check your date of birth. We'll have to check all the details.
Okay.
Yeah. What I have given are the general tips, which anybody can follow. There is no harm in it.
Ma'am, in course you will teach this also
Yes, everything.
about date of birth, without date of birth.
Without date of birth also, yes.
You will teach?
Yes, I will be teaching.
Okay.
Okay, so let me check some more samples. Yes, Nandini, you will get the recording. So, Bharti ji, I've opened your sample. Thank you for sharing it. You've already booked the consultation, right, Bharti ji?
Yeah.
So, we'll talk in that
Yes.
only in detail. So, I'll explain you
Yeah.
everything in detail in that.
Yes. Okay.
So, Jeff's sample I've already analyzed. Let me check some WhatsApp messages. Okay, Shailaja. Shailaja, in your handwriting, all your loops are closed. That in case if you go ahead and improve the loops, do the exercise that I told you for the stomach. It will really improve in 1 month. You may also get diabetes, Shailaja. We have to write your middle zone properly.
Okay. Which loop, ma'am?
All your A, E, all these alphabets,
Okay.
you have to write loop properly.
Okay.
If the signature is straight, Avni, it doesn't mean that the growth is stagnant, but it means that they don't have growth mindset. So somewhere mediocre mindset, they are happy with whatever they are doing for years and years. They don't have growth mindset. So sometimes they don't want to come out of their comfort zone. They like their comfort zone. Shailaja, you're writing A, which is very squeezed.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so you have to write it properly like this. This is called an open loop. E will properly be.
Okay.
So if you think and write these alphabets every A, S, A, M, the size will be same in the 2-line book. Lot of your
Okay.
health related issues will be.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Welcome, welcome. Who wants to learn this professionally? How many of you want to become a professional graphologist and people with their handwriting? Okay, Menaka, yes, Menaka already said to learn. दीप्ति जी also wants to learn. So दीप्ति जी आपका फोटो मुझे मिला है. Let me open. दीप्ति आपने सिर्फ दीप्ति लिख के भेजा है क्या ऑन द पेपर? आप म्यूट पर हो.
Ma'am, two types of handwriting will be there, ma'am, everyone. So anyone dictate means we are went to some seminar, they will dictate, no. So I want to make some notes fastly. That is not
You will
include,
not
no, ma'am.
analyze those writing.
Yeah. Oh, not to take that handwriting like that.
No,
Okay.
no.
So when
Because
we write
not written when their mind was relaxed.
yeah.
You will
Mm,
only analyze the handwriting. There are certain guidelines that we have to
mm,
follow. If
yes.
somebody wants to take a consulting, like Bhati ji has booked a consulting, so I'll be sharing some guidelines with her. She'll have to write that way and send it to me. Only then I'll be able to analyze it properly.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes.
Still, I have not sent. I will be when you will tell.
Yes,
I will
yes, no
send.
problem. Yeah, no
Okay.
problem. So I will just go ahead and share the amazing offer that we have for people who want to become a graphologist. जो चाहते हैं that they want to take it as a career. Let me just come to the slide. This is an amazing skill. It's not very popular. People don't learn it so much just because they think that we don't write these days, but it really helps. Like, I have worked with kids, I've worked with adults, and it has given amazing result. Like, it helped the ADHD kid to absolutely calm down without taking anxiety pills. He has now stopped taking pills. These are some of the success stories for kids. You would see how beautifully they have learned to balance, the zones have become better. This left side writing में आपको एकदम drastic change दिखाई देगा. So he was absolutely dyslexic and now he is doing so much better. Now he goes to college. He was one of my first students when I became a graphologist. These are some of the testimonials for the analysis that I have done. So why should we learn it? We should learn graphology for our self-awareness, for signature and alphabet corrections. Like today I told you some alphabet corrections, some of the signature, but there is a whole lot of science behind it. We must learn this for improved focus on clarity. We must learn this for emotional balance, better relationship and communication, goal alignment and productivity boost. And what are the best careers? So, supposing if you take up this course, you become a professional graphologist. You can work as a personality development coach. You can work as a graphology trainer. Like I'm training you, you can train others. For HR and recruitment consultant, you can help them on why they should choose this candidate, how he can be better for this department. So, you can do entire employee profiling. You can be if you're a life coach or a therapist, then these are additional exercises that you can give to your clients. You can become a student or a career guide, a signature and business branding analyst. Like one of my core expertise is designing scientific logo. I design scientific logo using the science of graphology. So that comes under business branding analyst, where we help for spiritual branding. Because I'm also numerology, astrology. So हम उसके हिसाब से we find out that which are favorite colors, which are lucky alphabets, and then we help the business owner to design their business name, design their business logo, balance the 5 elements, balance with colors, and have growth elements. So in case if you don't want to learn it, but you just want to get your handwriting analyzed by an expert, so I will be doing the analysis, then it is rupees 1999. So you don't want to learn it, you just want to get it analyzed and get the recommendation on what shall be the changes. Now, supposing if you want to get your handwriting analyzed and have an entire 3-month program where we will personally do all the graphotherapies, handwriting therapies together with meditation and journaling. For 3 months, it is 12,000 rupees, where I will be hand holding you. We will be meeting every week, and I will help you to work on 2 goals in 3 months. It can be money goal, it can be relationship goal, it can be health goal. We will be working on those 2 goals to achieve in 3 months with all these guided graphotherapy, guided meditations, and guided journaling. Now, suppose if you want to learn it, so the level 1, the basic certification in graphology, where you would learn everything, the handwriting size, the zone, the pressure, you would come to know who is rebellious, who can cheat you, who is superstitious, who can save a lot of money, who has performance anxiety. It also tells us about breathing. It will tell us about who is jealous, why are they jealous, who stretches the conversation, who are secretive, all of these traits. So 300 plus traits we will learn in the first level of graphology certification. And this is for 9999, but you will not be paying this. We have a special offer curated for this. If you want to learn further, like medical graphology, you want to learn about health, psychosomatic disorders, drawing analysis, doodle analysis, not just handwriting, but doodle, drawing, everything, signature analysis, the therapies, how to give, mental health and physical health. We can identify 45 plus physical health issues in handwriting. We can also identify chakra blockages through certain handwritings where we see. We can identify criminal traits as well. So if you want to learn advanced, then it is 16,999. So if you want to learn graphotherapy, so which pattern to write, like today I gave you a pattern for gastric issues. You'll have all these notes. You'll get all my notes, which I am using. You can put your branding and use it and start working as a handwriting coach. So all of this comes to you for 42,997. But for people who will be signing up first time, because Yana Sailing Studio is launching this course for the first time, it is only 333333. So it is 5 times 3, 33,333. That is what you would be paying for professional level of graphology course. It will be about 3.5 months course where you will learn every tiny detail about handwriting. So it will be 33,333 or $438. But if you don't want to learn professional, you want to do only basic level graphology certification, then it will be only 7,999. Instead of 9,999, you will only be paying 7,999 or $105. In case if you have any questions regarding the course, regarding the timing, the schedule is we will be having a morning batch 11:30 to 1:30 every week, Tuesday and Wednesday, with hands-on practice, practical sessions. The level 1 will be about 8 to 10 sessions, including the practice. We'll be having handwriting samples, which we will be analyzing live. I will share the links in the Zoom chat and also on the WhatsApp group. If you have any questions, you can ask me in case if you want to know how long it is going to be. Yes, anyone has any questions? दीप्ति, आपने जो भेजा है सिर्फ आपका नाम लिखा है आपने. Okay, I think she is not there. Let me see few more samples. Okay, Ritu ने भेजा था. Let me open Ritu's sample. Okay, Ritu सुना. ओके ऋतु, थोड़ा सा सेल्फ डाउट लग रहा है तुम्हारे सिग्नेचर से.
Correct.
Yes. And there is also stress, like you take up unnecessary stress, overthinking. Overthinking लग रहा है. I'm sorry.
Yes.
So you are very particular about things, okay? But there is always a self-doubt. So somewhere in some things you feel that you are not worthy to receive. Can I really do it? Can I really get it? Regarding the money, also the same pattern is there. Somewhere you are not able to perform to your true potential. You have a lot of capability. You have lot of things. I mean, I see you're a multi-skilled person too. You're a forward thinker as well. मतलब sometimes you overthink so much कि अगले 4 दिन का भी कोटा कंप्लीट हो जाता है.
Correct.
Yes. So these
Right.
are some things that you'll have to develop. आप वो वाई लिखना शुरू करो जैसे मैंने लिखा है. टी आपको किसी ने बोला है ऊपर डालना है करके?
Yes, बहुत पहले मैंने आई थिंक 2022 में किसी ने लिया था सेम, अब मैं आपसे ले रही हूँ. तब उन्होंने वो टी बताया था, तो वो टी मेरे दिमाग में, बाकी कुछ और बताया था वो नहीं याद है मुझे.
हाँ, नहीं टी तो सही है. सिर्फ टी की लाइन थोड़ी और लंबी भी हो सकती है. उससे आपकी इम्यूनिटी अच्छी रहेगी, हेल्थ अच्छा रहेगा. आप गोल्स हाई सेट करते हो, आपका इमेजिनेटिव स्किल्स भी बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब आप टैरो रीडिंग करते हो ना, आपने बताया था।
यस
तो
यस
रीडिंग काफी लोगों को रेजोनेट भी होती होगी, विजुअलाइजेशन वगैरह सही आता है, सिर्फ है ना इनर सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं है, कहीं ना कहीं देयर इज नो फुलफिलमेंट।
यस 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 थैंक यू थैंक यू एंड
यू
सिग्नेचर
शुड
वाज
लर्न
गुड
ग्राफोलॉजी, आपको हेल्प
I
करेगा।
really wanted. I really want. And one more, the signature is
मल्टी
signature.
लेयर, यू शुड नॉट हैव मल्टी लेयर सिग्नेचर. And the R that you are writing, there is some kind of resentment. There are some memories which you have for very long time, which you are not able to let go.
Yeah. Yes. 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 Thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome, welcome.
Ma'am, if we are writing only the initials, that also has to be ascendant and the two dots.
See, if you're writing only initials, it's okay if it's not ascending. It can be straight because that's not our real signature. Generally, we do the short initials on agreements and huge long documents, and only on the last page we do the signature. If that is not ascending, it's completely okay. But whatever is your real signature, you need to have that ascending. And it is not important that you should change it officially, okay? You can also simply practice every day one page with the green color pen, because
Okay.
signature is your best affirmation. It helps you to create your identity instantly.
Every time we can sit and do write these and keep it like in green pen.
Correct. Now, for example, you have some free time. You are not doing anything. It also acts as a stress buster. And when you start writing your name, it gives you that kind of growth mindset and you be focused on your goal. So that is why they say that signature is your best affirmation.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sunita ji.
हेलो मैम.
Yes, बोलिए. And everyone
हेलो
who
मैम.
feel that there is some value that you got from today's webinar, please post a review in Google.
Definitely. Yes.
हाँ, दीप्ति जी बोलिए.
हाँ मैम, आप मेरी साइन देख रही थी, मैं ऐसे ही अपना नाम लिखती हूँ सिंपल.
ओके, आप अपना नाम लिखती हो सिंपल, थोड़ा सा इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक हो आप, मतलब आपको ऐसा है कि आप सिंपल, बहुत सिंपल ही है आपका स्वभाव भी, बट कहीं ना कहीं आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपका खुद का नाम, आपका खुद का काम, ये सब होना चाहिए. यू शुड हैव योर ओन अर्निंग. वो सेल्फ वर्थ का थोड़ा सा है कि मेरा ये सब होना चाहिए. यू वांट टू अर्न रेस्पेक्ट फ्रॉम पीपल.
यस मैम. बट मैम, जो आपने लूप का बताया था, ई का लूप का, क्या वो इसमें ठीक है मेरा या गलत है?
थोड़ा सा क्लोज्ड है, सिलेक्टिव लिसनिंग करती हो आप कभी कभी. कभी कभी सामने वाला कुछ बोल रहा होगा ना, तो पूरी बात आपके दिमाग में आती नहीं है. ग्रास्पिंग पावर कभी कभी थोड़ी सी कम हो जाती है, आप थोड़ा सा कभी खुद के इसमें खो जाती हो. सो सामने वाला जो बोलता है वो सुनती हो आप, बट वो लिसनिंग जैसे बोलते हैं ना, पूरी तरह से ग्रास्प करना वैसे नहीं होता है, सिलेक्टिव लिसनिंग होता है. और थोड़ा पानी का इंटेक भी कम ज्यादा होता होगा. कभी बहुत ज्यादा पानी पीती होगी, कभी थोड़ा कम पीती होगी. खाने पीने के टाइमिंग्स थोड़े सही नहीं होंगे, कभी प्रॉपर खाना खाते होंगे, कभी टाइम टू टाइम नहीं खाते होंगे, वैसे भी रहेगा.
और मैम, आपने जो कहा था कि एक लाइन के बाद 2 डॉट्स लगाए, वो स्पेशली अकल्ट साइंस के लोगों के लिए है?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं स्पेशली ऑकल्ट साइंस के लोगों के लिए, वो उन सभी लोगों के लिए है जो चाहते हैं कि हम स्ट्रेंजर्स से भी बहुत अच्छे से बात कर पाए.
बट मैम, मैं
मतलब कभी
किसी से भी
कभी
बहुत
ऐसे
इजीली
होता है
बात
ना
कर
कि
लेती
हम, हाँ,
मतलब मैं किसी से भी बहुत आसानी से बात कर लेती हूँ, मुझे ऐसा कोई
देखो
मतलब
सिग्नेचर
हेजिटेशन
जो
नहीं
है
था.
ना, ये आपका पब्लिक पर्सनालिटी होता है. आपका जो सेल्फ इमेज है वो हैंड राइटिंग होती है. एक सेकेंड ना, जस्ट.
ओके.
सॉरी.
नहीं,
यस,
इट्स ओके मैम.
बोलिए.
हाँ मैम,
नहीं,
लेकिन जैसे
आपका
आपने कहा
जैसे दूसरे ट्रेड्स भी होंगे ना जिसकी वजह से आप आसानी से बात कर सकती हो। पूरी राइटिंग हमने देखी नहीं है ना, अभी बस सिग्नेचर ही
राइट
देखा
मैम।
है।
हम्म हम्म।
और आपका टी अच्छा है तो इस वजह से आपको फ्रेंड्स भी आप जल्दी बनाते रहोगी।
हम्म।
यस, एनी क्वेश्चंस एनीवन हैज अबाउट द कोर्स, कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, कैसे
थैंक यू
सीखेंगे?
मैम।
वेलकम वेलकम डियर। ओके, अगर कोई क्वेश्चंस नहीं है तो देन वी विल एंड टुडेज सेशन। प्लीज पुट योर गूगल रिव्यू इन केस इफ यू फील दैट यू गॉट सम वैल्यू फ्रॉम टुडेज सेशन। और जुड़े रहिएगा, वी आर गोइंग टू कम अप विद मोर फ्री वेबिनार्स एंड मोर फ्री हीलिंग आवर्स। हम हमेशा करते हैं, एवरी फ्राइडे को हमारा हीलिंग आवर होता है। थैंक यू ऋतु, थैंक यू सो मच। एवरी फ्राइडे हम हीलिंग आवर करते हैं, फ्री मेडिटेशंस करते हैं। तो ज़रूर आप लोग जुड़े रहिएगा और हमारे सेशंस में आते रहिएगा। अभी नेक्स्ट सेशन हमारा आ रहा है अग्निहोत्र वर्कशॉप। किसी को पता है अग्निहोत्र के बारे में, सुना है किसी ने? सो अग्निहोत्र एक ऐसा वैदिक हवन है जो सिर्फ हम अगर सनसेट और सनराइज में करें तो सिर्फ हमारे घर पर नहीं बल्कि 10-12 किलोमीटर तक हम पोल्यूशन को भी रोक सकते हैं ये डेली करने से। So it can help you to work on your chronic issues. It can help you to work on your money. It's like a रामबाण उपाय। अगर आपने सब कुछ कर लिया है और फिर भी रिजल्ट नहीं मिला है, then अग्निहोत्र will give you that alignment of mind, body and soul. ये वर्कशॉप हो रहा है 6th of July को and the energy exchange for this is 2,100 rupees. You would be getting the recording, you will be getting the PDF and you can do this with simple, मतलब even if you stay abroad you can simply do it with very less ingredients and not, you don't need a lot of things. इसके बाद वी आर कमिंग अप विद अ वर्कशॉप फॉर कौरी विद्या, कौरी रीडिंग, जिससे हम कौरियों से रीडिंग करना सीखेंगे। इट्स वन ऑफ आवर एंशियंट टेक्नोलॉजीज जहाँ पे कौरी को लक्ष्मी माँ के समान माना जाता था। So that these are some workshops which are coming up. फिर श्रावण के रेमेडीज और रिचुअल्स की, श्रावण में हम क्या रिचुअल्स कर सकते हैं, कैसे शिव जी से कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं, इसका एनर्जी एक्सचेंज इज ओनली ₹555. We've kept it very very minimum so that everybody can come in and get the benefit of श्रावण. तो श्रावण में हम सीखेंगे सारी रेमेडी, सारे रिचुअल, सोमवार का व्रत का सही तरीका। काफी लोग सोमवार का व्रत करते हैं बट साधना नहीं करते, संकल्प
I
नहीं,
do.
तो ये सब हम सीखेंगे इन द श्रावण
Only thing is
रेमेडी।
the timings are different, like because I'm in the US, so that's the
Yeah, so
problem.
this you will be getting a recording and you have my numbers. You can ask me queries anytime. Shravan Remedies class is in the evening. It's
Okay,
8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, and
that's fine.
Agnihotri is in the morning on the 6th of July. So these are some of the workshops that we have upcoming. आप जुड़े रहिएगा and then you will get all the details. Yes, Menika. And if anybody wants to enroll for professional graphology, and if you have any financial issues, get in touch with me. We will work out the installment plans for you. Whoever is interested and they are really willing to take this ahead, they want to create their identity as a graphologist, work with children, work with adults, as a therapist, then you can just message me. I'm dropping my number here and we will work out on the installments for you because it's a 3.5 months course. So we'll work out some best deal for you, which will help you, which will be easy for you to pay the fees and also learn.
Is it any one that's only for children to learn?
You will learn the entire course. You can use it for children or you can use it for adults.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
When if you learn like level 1, you can still work with children.
Okay.
You like to work with children, Sunita ji?
Yeah.
Yeah. So one of the other lady who's joining this course, she also wants to work with children, and that is why she's taking this, because with children we will also be including brain gym. So you would learn about brain gym, how to inculcate brain gym, the handwriting together. That's how I teach the kids, with meditations and other techniques and the writing. And handwriting is best to work with kids because they can't meditate with closed
Yes.
eyes. So writing works better. My
And when
daughter,
they're small, they can learn faster.
yes, my daughter actually had speech issues. She's the main inspiration for me to come in occult and this field.
Okay.
I learned everything for her, and I see so beautiful changes in her. Like, she's just 9 year old, but she has clarity in her thoughts. She says, I don't want this means I don't want this. So she would not, which is what I like, and her speech problems got resolved with the graphotherapy and certain other spiritual remedies that I did with her. But handwriting
Okay.
helped her a lot in calming her mind, in overcoming that. So because she could not speak properly, she was being bullied by other kids. So other kids used to make fun of her, but she was not able to handle. So handwriting helped her to create that calmness within her.
Yeah. And what about Googling what does that say about a person? Because a cousin of mine does it. So
So, but what is the pattern he draws?
he draws circular, anything. I think mostly it's circular actually.
Okay, so can you show me on the paper what he draws? Because circular में कैसा, like concentric circles he draws, or he just
Yeah.
simply draws like a jalebi structure?
No, proper concentrated ones. Like
Yeah,
I
so
don't have them now with me, so
which means he is like a deep thinker, and he may also be a little introvert or selective. He would not have a lot of friends, and he'll be little introvert and selective, and he has his own deep thoughts. So whatever he does with a lot of passion, and he goes into complete details. Is he like that?
yeah, she is like that. Yeah.
Yeah. So if somebody will, so people just write their name, like the college students and all, they have a habit of doodling where they will just
Mm.
write their names. So writing the name, that means they want to be creating their own identity. They focus a lot on their identity. So they may not have clarity on what they need to do, and which is why they keep writing their name to get the clarity on what my identity should be when I grow up.
Okay. Interesting. Yeah, it's very interesting though.
Thank you, Sunita ji.
Mm.
Yes, Menaka.
Ma'am, from 6th onwards, starting ma'am, 8th or 6th?
From 8th of July,
8th July morning session, I will attend.
morning 11:30 to 1:30,
Yeah.
Tuesday and Wednesday. Every week, Tuesday and Wednesday. Only on 16th Wednesday, we will not have class because I am traveling to Bangalore. Rest of the Tuesday and Wednesday, we will have class.
Okay.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. I look forward to seeing you in all upcoming courses. And thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.